Hello, boys and girls. Today, we are going to model regrouping for subtraction. Our essential question is, when do you regroup in subtraction? When is it that we have to regroup? Remember when you regrouped when you were adding? We're going to do something similar, but now we're going to regroup to subtract. So what are you going to be able to do by the end of this lesson? I can regroup to subtract. That is the purpose of our lesson today. Okay, so here is a template that we're going to use, and here is a word problem. We are going to use the template in order to solve our word problem. Here we go. Liz counted 21 unicorns in her garden. So the very first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to model 21 unicorns. How do you draw 21 unicorns? Well, 21 is 2 10s and 1 1. There we go, 21 unicorns in her garden. Then 7 unicorns ran away. How many unicorns were still in her garden? Okay, so usually I would subtract the ones from the ones. But here, I only have 1 1. How am I going to take away 7 if I only have 1 1? This is very complicated. What am I going to do? Oh, I know, I can regroup. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pick one of my 10s. So I'm going to pick this little 10 right here. And that 10, I'm going to kick it. I'm going to ninja it. And that 10 is going to become how many ones? 1 10 is the same as 10 ones. So I'm going to ninja this one, and I'm going to regroup it in the ones and make it into 10 ones. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So now nothing has changed so far. Nothing has changed because all I did was take that 10, break it up into 10 ones. That's all I did, okay? Now I can subtract the 7 unicorns, okay? So I'm going to subtract the 7. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Those are the ones that ran away. Now, let's see how many are left in the garden. This is where some of the students get confused, okay? How many 10s are there in the 10s box? There is only 1 10 because that one we regrouped. Now, how many ones are left in the ones part? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So how many unicorns were still in her garden? 14. Very good. Okay, here we go. We're going to do number 1. It tells us to subtract 13 from 41. 13. So what I'm going to do, 13 from 41. Well, I cannot subtract that 3 because I only have 1 in the ones place. How could I take away 3 if I only have a 1? What can I do? That's a problem. What can I do? I know I can regroup one of those 10s. So I'm going to grab this 10 right here. I'm going to break it up and send it over to the ones place. Okay? So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay? Now I can take away 13. Now that I regrouped, I can take away 13. Are we ready? Okay, so 13 would be, one second, I'm gonna change the color in my marker. So 13 would be 110, so I'm taking that one away, and 3 ones. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so let's see how many tens we have left over. 1. We started with 4 tens, but then we regrouped 1, and then we took away 1 because of the 13. So I am left with 2 tens, and let's see how many ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 8 ones. So 2 tens and 8 ones is the same as 28. Very good, boys and girls. Are you getting this? I'm sure you are. And if not, it doesn't matter because we're going to do more practice. Okay, here we go. It says to subtract 9 from 48. So I know that I need to subtract the ones from the ones and the tens from the tens. Okay, so it says here is my 48 and here's my 9. I need to subtract 9 from 48. Wait a minute, but the 9 is bigger than the 8. So how can I subtract 9 from 8? What do I do? Oh yeah, I can regroup. Okay, so I'm going to come over and I'm going to get one of these tens. And I am going to send it over to the ones. So 110 is the same as 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. Now that I have regrouped that 10, now I can subtract the 9. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. All right, we did it. Now let's count the ones that are left over. So this is 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we are left with 9 ones. And let's see how many tens we're left over with. 1, 2, and 3. So we have 3 tens and 9 ones. So my answer is 39. Very good, boys and girls. You are doing great. Okay. Ooh, this one. This one is interesting. So we're going to subtract 28 from 52. So we have the 52 and we're going to subtract 28 from it. So remember, we're always going to subtract the ones together and then the tens together. But wait a minute. I cannot take away 8 from the 2. I only have 2. How can I possibly take away 8? I have a problem. What am I going to do? I know. I have to regroup one of the tens. So I'm going to get this 10 and send it over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. Now I can take away 28. So here we go. 28. So I'm going to take away 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 2 tens. 2 tens. 1, 2. There we go. So now I am left with 1, 2 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So 2 tens and 4 ones is equal to 24. Okay, boys and girls, I hope this helped. Good luck with your work. Remember to log into Think Central after you watch the video and complete lesson 5.3. And then remember to log into Extra Math. See you. Bye.